Bees are cute, fuzzy, and basically tiny flying superheroes, right? Well, sometimes these heroes can turn into nectar-hogging villains, and it's messing with the ecosystem. On the Italian island of Giannutri, scientists discovered something wild. When humans pile in too many honeybees, the local wild insects are left scraping for crumbs, aka nectar and pollen. Imagine a buffet where the honeybees grab all the pizza and leave nothing for everyone else. That's exactly what happens in insect form. Native bees, butterflies, and other pollinators aren't lazy. They just have their own VIP plant clubs. When honeybees crash every flower party, the wild insects struggle to survive, which could hurt plant reproduction, seeds, and the animals that snack on those plants. Basically, it's a pollination traffic jam. Don't blame the honeybees entirely. They're essential for honey and crops. The trick is balance. Fewer hives, better spacing, and letting wild pollinators have their fair share of the buffet. It's like hosting a garden party where everyone gets a slice of cake, bees and butterflies included. So next time you see a bee buzzing by, remember, it's either saving your fruit salad or hoarding it all for itself. Question for you. How would you redesign the ultimate pollinator party so no bee or butterfly goes hungry?